azeotrophs, a binary mixture of liquid having the same compositions in liquid and vapor phase which boils at a constant temperature is called the azeotroph. Azeotrophs have sharp boiling point like a pure liquid. Components of a azeotropic mixture cannot be separated by fractional distillations. Azeotrophs are of two types: minimum boiling azeotrophs, maximum boiling azeotrophs. Minimum boiling azeotrophs is formed by solutions which show a large positive deviations from Raoult's law. 95% ethanol by the volume in water forms azeotropic mixture which has a constant boiling point 351.15 K. They have same compositions in liquid and vapor which cannot be separated by the fractional distillations. This is why pure ethanol cannot be obtained from ethanol water mixture obtained by the fermentations of sugar. Maximum boiling azeotrope is formed by solutions that show large negative deviations from Raoult's law. For example, aqueous nitric acid 68% HNO3 and 32% H2O by mass is an azeotropic mixture which has a constant boiling point 393.5 Kelvin. Colligative properties and determinations of molar mass. Colligative properties are the properties which depend on the number of solute particles irrespective of their nature relative to the total number of particles in the solution. Relative lowering of vapor pressure. Now by Raoult's law, Pi minus P1 upon P0 1 minus P1 P0 1 x2 is equal to x2 upon n1 plus n2, or P0 1 minus P1 upon P0 1 is equal to n2 upon n1 is equal to w2 into m1 upon m2 into w1, because for dilute solutions n1 is greater than n2. Now elevations of boiling point. Solutions has lower vapor pressure and hence higher boiling point than pure solvent. The increases in the boiling point del Tb is equal to Tb minus T0 B is known as the elevations of boiling point. For dilute solutions, del Tb directly proportional m, del Tb is equal to Kb m is equal to Kb in bracket Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. Mb is equal to 1000 into Wb into Kb upon del Tb into Wa, where m is molality of solutions and Kb is boiling point elevations constant or molal elevations constant, or boolioscopic constant having unit kg per mole. The value of Kb, which depends upon the nature of the solvents, can be ascertained from the following equations. Kb is equal to R Tb square upon 1000 Lv, where W is equal to mass of solute, M is equal to molar mass of solute, W is equal to mass of solvent, Tb is equal to boiling point of solvent, Lv is equal to latent heat of vaporizations.